Consider the piecewise function h shown above. Which of the following x values are not in the domain of h? Check all that apply. So if a value on the x, and these are all on the x, has a value in the range that is associated with it, so either a closed point, a closed circle, or a part of the graph itself, then it's contained in the domain. So positive 1. Positive 1, if you go up or down from 1 in any direction, in either direction, you don't run into any graph. So it's not part of the domain of the function. 5, however, if you go from 5 upward, you run into this point. So that is contained in the graph. So that means we don't want to check it. Sorry about that. Negative 3.5 is here. We run into a point in the graph, so that is contained in the domain. 0, well, 0's an issue because 0's here and it's an open circle. But open circles are not part of the graph. They don't exist in the graph. They're just illustrating to you where it starts and ends. So that is not contained in the domain. And strangely enough, it's thrown 1 at us the second time, but that's okay. It's still not in the domain. And then we have 2.5. So 2.5 is here between 2 and 3. And if we come up from there, we run into the graph, so it is contained in the domain. So those are the values that we have.